If you're over 50 and your knees hurt every morning when you stand up, you're not alone. But what if one simple morning move could ease that pain instantly, without pills, massage, or surgery? Yes, doctors actually recommend this for seniors. It's called the quad activation stretch. Here's how you do it. Stand straight beside a wall or chair for balance. Now lift one leg behind you and grab your ankle. Pull it gently toward your hips. You'll feel a stretch in the front of your thigh. Hold for 15 seconds. Switch sides. Repeat 3 times each leg. This stretch wakes up your quadriceps, improves blood flow to your knees, and releases stiffness caused by sleeping or sitting too long. Doctors say doing this daily helps. Strengthen knee support muscles. Reduce joint pressure. Improve mobility and pain-free movement. No painkillers, no complex workouts. No painkillers, no complex workouts. Just one move every morning, and your knees will thank you all day. Because after 50, strength isn't about lifting heavy. It's about moving freely without pain.
Start today. Your knees will feel 10 years younger. Subscribe for more doctor-approved senior moves that heal your body naturally.